Hello there, welcome to another episode of setting up the Wampserver on your setup. So previously I've made a series of video on how to install Wampserver on your system, but there is a particular issue that keeps coming up, in which is the Msvcp120.dll missing. So in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Msvcp120.dll missing on your computer. So this particular issue is what actually arises when you are trying to install the setup on your PC. So I'm going to show you how you can fix it on your PC. So in order to solve this particular error, I've made some highlights on how to fix it. So the first step is identifying the error, and this doesn't apply only to this error, it applies to any error that you are facing, be it on this particular issue or something else. So the first step is identifying the error. So if you want to solve an error, you first identify the error. What type of error are you receiving? So after identifying the error, the next thing is to identify when it happens. So you are going to take a look at the error that we are experiencing, and then we're going to take a look at when you are likely to experience the error. So I'm going to tell you when you are likely to experience the error, and the next, which is also going to be the final step, is how to fix this error. So finally I'm going to show you how to fix this error, and this works in most cases. So now let's move to slide 3. So this slide 3, this is a pictorial sample of the Msvcp120.dll missing you are likely to face. So this is a screenshot of the error. So it's what the code execution cannot proceed because Msvcp120.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So this is a pictorial sample of the Msvcp120.dll missing you are likely to face. So if you are also seeing this kind of error when setting up the Wampserver on your PC, then you might want to watch this video today so that you can see how to fix it. So now that we have identified the error that we are facing, so we are going to see when you are likely to face the error. So now to why does this error pop up? So this full pictorial diagram reveals a background of a process running which led to the error. So initially in the previous slide I only showed this screen, which is the code execution cannot run because this was not found. So this picture is shows the background of what is actually trying to happen. So you can see the picture shows that Wampserver is trying to be run in the background. So the Wampserver software is trying to be we are trying to set up Wampserver on the system, and when it reached a particular site, which is the MySQL, so it said the code execution cannot proceed because Msvcp120.dll was not found. So you might also actually experience this when you are installing another program, but if this is the particular error that you're also receiving, so you are going to see how we are going to fix it. So now how to fix it. So finally we are going to learn how to fix this error, and in order to show us how to fix this error, I'm going to take us back to a short note that I've written so that we can explain what actually caused the error and how to fix it. So how to fix the error. So the first step is you have to download and install Visual C Redistributable. So if you want to fix the error of the missing Msvcp120.dll, you have to download and install Visual C Redistributable. So in case you are wondering what that is all about, the Visual C Redistributable Packages install runtime components that are required to run C++ applications built using Visual Studio. So these packages, when you install them, they are actually required. That is not optional, they are required to run C++ applications. So that means if you did not have this component installed already on your PC, so you are likely going to experience this error. So I'm going to also show you the link to the site where you are going to download the Visual C Redistributable. So here is the link to the website to download the Visual C the Visual Studio, the Visual C++ redistributable file. So I'm going to also attach this link to the comments, to the description settings of this video, so that you can be able to easily click on the link. Now the issue is this is the link where you are going to visit to download the Visual C++ redistributable, so that you can be able to continue installing the application. But here is the problem. Here is the particular problem that you might want to face. So when you visit this link, which is this particular link, you are going to see a lot of Visual Edit files from 2000, like you see 2019, 2017, 2015, and like you are going to see a lot of them. So is it that you're going to need to download all of these packages? So I'm going to show you a particular question that someone asked on Google. So someone asked, do I need all the Microsoft C++ redistributable? So the answer is, if the software installed on your machine is them, you need them. If it doesn't, you might not. Unfortunately, so kindly note this place, unfortunately, there is no easy way for you to tell which programs on your machine require which versions of the redistributable, or if any do. So this simply means it is very hard to find out which particular Visual Edit that you need to install, so that you can make the problem go away. But here is the solution. So after testing out different Visual C++ redistributable files, I finally found a particular one that works. So in the description of this video, you are going to see the one that works. So kindly check the description of this video to download the Visual Edit, the particular Visual C++ redistributable components that we work for Msvcp120.dll missing. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send them to me via hello@wamp.com, or visit my website on www.wamp.com. So that is all about fixing the Msvcp120.dll. And if you ever need to get in touch with me, you can visit my website at www.wamp.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel with this name, and follow on Twitter with @WORD.